Differential pair PCB routing is a strategic approach used in designing circuits to establish a well-balanced transmission system capable of transmitting differential signals with equal magnitude but opposite polarity across a printed circuit board. Usually, this method of routing is implemented to connect with an external system for differential transmission like a connector and cable. To create a differential pair in AutoTRAX, you need to define it in the schematic. This video shows you how to quickly define a differential pair. Here we have a very simplified schematic with two devices and two electrical wires connecting them. To define these two wires as a differential pair, I will need to set the node names for each wire. To set the node name for the top wire, I add an interwire connector by clicking on the interwire button in the wires group in the Add Ribbon tab. Now that the top interwire connector has been placed, I need to connect it to the first node's wire by routing a wire to it. I now need to set the name of the first node by double-clicking on the interwire connector. I set the name to the base name of the differential pair with a plus sign. So, in this case I will use a base name of my signal and add a plus to the end, to signify that this is the positive node of the differential pair. I now need to add a similar interwire connector, and connect it to the second node wire. In this case I will set the name of the node to my signal, with a negative character added to the end, to signify that this is the negative node of the differential pair. That completes the setup of the differential pair in the schematic. You will notice that in both interwire connectors there are symbols at the right that show that the node is one of the nodes in the differential pair, and the polarity of the node is displayed. Now if I open the PCB, you can see the two unrouted PCB nodes. To manually route the differential pair, I click on either of the two unrouted nets to select it, and then click the Route Differential Pair button in the Tracks group in the Route Ribbon tab. I click near the start of the pair, and route the pair to the target. Double-clicking the left mouse button, or pressing the End key, completes the differential pair routing. This concludes, using a simple example, how to define and manually route a differential pair.